Hey, welcome to another episode of DIY Car Mods. Today I'm going to show you how I added a shock sensor to my factory alarm system on my 9th gen Honda Accord. Now this is the part number that I'm using, the DEI 504D, and this is a double guard shock sensor. Now the stock alarm only goes off if someone tries to open the door, the hood, or the trunk while the system is armed. Now, by adding this, it will also go off if it senses any shocks, such as a glass breaking, or someone tries to steal your wheels, or someone were to hit your vehicle. The alarm should go off by adding this unit. Now, the unit right here comes with this wire harness adapter. You want to connect the side with the green loop into the unit. The opposite side will have something similar. I already went and cut it off, but you just want to make sure that you just left with this 3 wires in the back. And up here, this orange little knob in here is to adjust the sensitivity. You turn it to the right to increase sensitivity and turn it counterclockwise to decrease it. All right, the sensor comes with 4 wires, green, blue, black, and red. The green one you're not going to be worrying about. The blue right here is the trigger wire for the full alarm. This right here is going to be the ground, and this is going to be for power. Now here are the 3 wires from the shock sensor that needs to be connected. The blue wire right here goes to the door switch. The black and red goes to a relay. All right, the black one goes into 86, which is the left one right here. The red one goes into 87A, which is the middle one. Now, the 85 and the 30, that's where we're going to be adding our add a fuse. This is going to be for ignition switch, and this is going to be for constant. The 87 up here, we're not going to be using, and so you leave that alone. Now, to go ahead and connect the wires to the relay, you can use something like this right here, which you would strip the wires back, connect it back here, crimp this down, and then connect it into the appropriate slot, like so. Or you can purchase a relay that comes with a connector like this, that you just plug this in. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the red and the black, and then 2 add a fuse into this wire harness right here. All right, so everything's done right here. So from the shock sensor, we have red, black, and blue. The blue one, I went ahead and added this so that I can T-tap it to the door switch. The red and black, the red went into the 87A. The black went into 86. Now the 85 and 30, I went and added add a fuse right here. There's one there, and there's another one that's right here. It's the add a fuse with the 5 amp fuse. Now the black wire that comes from the shock sensor that gets connected to the wire from the relay, you're also going to add another wire to it and tie it all together. So you're going to tie the black wire from this one, the relay, and also another wire, because you have to ground it out. And so I just have this connected into a terminal ring. All right, here is the blue wire from the relay. I went ahead and T-tapped it to this brown wire. This brown wire is the door switch wire for the driver's side. It's on the second one that's up here, and it's the solid brown wire. And so I connected a T-tap and connected the blue wire. The ground, I have it grounded up here to this metal. All right, the 2 add fuse that I have, the one for 30, which is constant 12 volt, and then the 85, which is ignition switch. For constant, I'm going to use the 4th one right here, which is the lumbar support. So this 10 amp fuse. And for the 85, it's going to be the 7.5 fuse down here. This is the wiper fuse. And so this is only gets hot when the car is on. This one is hot at all times. And so I'm going to take those and add it to my add a fuse. And when you use the add a fuse, you basically go ahead and remove the stock one and put them in to the side that's closest to the contact. So this is what I added for the relay. And the original one will go into the inside slot right here. All right, there you go. It's installed. Again, this is from the 30 pin and this is from the 85. And I have the new fuses installed with the original inside. And you want to make sure that these are facing down like this, because the contact for the positive is in the bottom right here. So you want to make sure that it's bottom and bottom as well. That's the positive and that's the ground. So that's how it should be installed. Next thing to do is go ahead and mount this on your vehicle. Install it wherever you see fit. Some people would mount it using zip ties against the factory wire harness that runs down here. Some people use double-sided tape and tape it here. Wherever you want, that's up to you. But only thing is, go ahead and make sure you set the sensitivity so that it will pick up the shock. So you just have to play around with the sensitivity setting, and that should be good. Alright, so everything's hooked up. So I have my stock remote here. I'm going to go ahead and unlock the vehicle. Again, wait about 30 seconds or so. And then go ahead and either bang on the glass or bang on your wheels. So I'm going to bang on my window right now. So there you go. Right now I have the sensitivity set really high just so that I can make sure that this actually works, and it does. I just need to go ahead and adjust the sensitivity so then it doesn't go off when a loud motorcycle goes by or, you know, something like that. Because you don't want your alarm to keep going off throughout the day and piss off your neighbors or people around you. Alright, so this completes the tutorial on how to add a shock sensor to your factory alarm system. I'll have all the parts that I used to add the shock sensor to my vehicle in the video description below, so go check it out. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.